ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 22 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8. ಅನೇನ ಭೂ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಹಸ್ರಕೋಟಿಭಿಃ ಕೃತೇಷು ಪಾಪೇಷ್ವಪಿ ನಿಷ್ಕೃತಿಃ ಕೃತಾ ಯದಗ್ರಹೀಣಾಮ ಭಯಾಕುಲೋ ಹರೇಃ ಇತಿ ಪ್ರಭೋ ತತ್ಪುರುಷಾ ಬಭಾಷಿರೇ. Word by word meaning. Boho, O messengers of Yama. Bhayakulah, overcome by fear. Harehe, Nama, Agrahit. He uttered the Lord's name. Iti, Yat, because of which. Anena, by him. Janma Sahasra Koti Bihi, in innumerable lives. Kriteshu Papeshu Api, for sins committed also. Nishkritihi Krita, atonement has been made. Iti Prabhu Tvat Purushaha Babashire, thus did thy messengers speak, O Lord. Full meaning. O messengers of Yama, he uttered the Lord's name, overcome by fear. By that alone he has atoned for all the sins committed in innumerable lives. Thus did thy messengers speak, O Lord. Om Tat Sat.